Yes, senior BJP leader Giriraj Singh's comments has sparked a massive political war, with BJP's political rivals now pressurizing the party, demanding Giriraj Singh's expulsion. Even as staunch criticism is flowing in for Giriraj Singh, the man himself remains defiant. Meanwhile, the BJP has distanced itself from his outrageous comments.
जो लोग नरेंद्र मोदी को रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वे वही लोग हैं जो पाकिस्तान परस्त हैं। वैसे लोगों के लिए भारत में लगता है अब कोई जगह नहीं है।
With this comment, senior BJP leader Giriraj Singh triggered a fierce political fight. As the BJP came under severe criticism for not acting against Giriraj Singh, it also faced demands from not just other parties, but even allies seeking his expulsion for repeating what most termed was an insult to democracy.
He is not doing any service to the BJP. They should either expel him or not support him in this election. Losing a seat is not going to matter. But people like this should not be tolerated in our political system.
Caught on the back foot, BJP has tried its best to deflect from the matter, claiming they have disassociated themselves with Giriraj's stand.
Mr. Sushil Modi has dissociated with the statement, and national spokesperson Nirmala Sitharaman has also said that BJP has nothing to do with that. We have condemned the statement. There is no need of further assertion.
Surprisingly, the leader himself has been unfazed even after being pulled up by his party president Rajnath Singh. And sources are telling your channel that given the pressure, the BJP is even mulling sending him a legal notice.
मैंने यही कहा, देश के अंदर भी कई ताकतें हैं जो पाकिस्तान परस्त हैं और वो पाकिस्तान को अपना मक्का मदीना मानते हैं। वैसे लोगों को भारत में देशद्रोही ही कहा जाएगा। वो नरेंद्र मोदी को रोकना चाहते हैं। वैसे लोगों को भारत में रहने की जरूरत है।
But the others are in no mood to let him off the hook, accusing the BJP of brazen hypocrisy.
If in the last elections BJP got 18% of the popular vote, they are telling 82% of all of us Indians that you please go to Pakistan. That's a larger message. Assuming they get 18% again, I don't think they will get even that.
The BJP is now finding itself on a sticky wicket, with even allies jumping in to seek action. All eyes will be on whether it cracks the whip or plays safe on this one. Bureau Report, Times Now.